Hi, welcome to back my channel VGR Learn. Today topic is ChatGPT. 5 most important prompts. Now I will show you on screen with Patrigal. Write a add concept, then paste. Click this upload. What happened? This is the 10 create advertising concepts on the adapting TV commercials. The impossible became a possible. The concept shows people struggling with everyday tasks. Suddenly, the product appears on the transfer, maturation into success. Tagline turn impossible into effortless. The before as after, the see the differences, future and meet tomorrow start today. This is a 10 prompts we test faster, smarter, better, and behind the scene, built with passion, uh, real story, real result, cinematic experiences the extraordinary. The this way is prompt is given. Another prompt create fantasy world. You observe this create a fantasy world is the you observe this image. How beautiful, how awesome image. You observe this one. The another image you observe this. The third one you observe this. How beautiful. This is the fantastic images creating so much images coming in the one single line. You observe this total 7 fantastic worlds created. Nearly 9. You observe this. So much creating out there. You observe this. This is the ChatGPT utilizing how to correct prompt you should provide in the correct output is coming. This way coming, you can this utilize. Then another prompt generating art style. Generating art style and click here. The creating 50 AI styles can use generating like a that he mentioned stable and digital art, realistic style and traditional arts, anime, comic and the fantastic style, science fiction, 3D style, abstract mode and historical. So many the prompts are coming. The another mode is the another prompt is the make a Mimo's idea. Make Mimo's idea. This 100 art style for image generation, oil painting, water cooling, and the arts. The fine arts is the Vincent Rocco and modern controversy, Oppo arts and art decoration, the digital arts and 3D art, science five styles and fantastic so many tiles, illustration styles, special visual styles. This many prompts are coming. The another prompt was the inspire me. This one and copy paste. The inspire create prompt of inspire you dreaming bigger and artistic inspiration, storytelling, science profession ideas, fantastic world, creative mindset. This way, this video is going to the utilizing the everybody, student, teachers, and professionals and beginners, mid-range professionals, and graphic design also. So utilizing this all prompts is very useful. Please share, please come. Thanking you once again. Your VGR.